in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to estimate NDVI using Sentinel-2 images. NDVI is considered as a, let's say, very useful index for monitoring vegetation. To do this, I open the Google Earth Engine environment. First of all, I'm gonna choose a study area. I try to select the area that we have water, vegetation, as well as barren lands. I think here is gonna be an appropriate location. I use geometry in order to do this. I select my targeted area, and also you can use the other tools here, draw a shape or use a point in order to target your study area. And also, as I said before, you can use assets. If you upload your shapefile here, you can also use that one. Okay, here you can see that my study area added. In order to put my study area on this screen, I'm gonna use map center, object, and I want to add my study area as a layer to my screen. Here, I'm gonna collect my Sentinel-2 datasets in order to estimate Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. To do this, I use VAR and write the name that I wanted. Here, I put NDVI. I use image collection. Here in search, I'm searching Sentinel-2 images, the harmonized one, and level C. Okay, in the next step I have to filter my study area. Geometry as well as my date. I'm gonna choose for 1 month. Here I'm gonna show you a quick code in order to estimate NDVI. As you know, for Sentinel-2, we have band 8 and band 4 as a near infrared and red. First of all, I'm gonna use map. Then inside the map, I'm using function. Then G. Here I'm gonna define my index. Return. And here I'm adding my index. As you can see, it's normalized difference. In this part, I have to define the targeted bound that used for NDVI estimation. 8 band 4. Using clip in order to limit the estimation to my study area. Okay. Estimated NDVI. And first of all, I have to save the name Sentinel-2. Then run the code. So I can use map and live. Again, I'm running the code in order to see my estimated NDVI on the screen. I turn off my study area. Layer 2 is NDVI. I'm using various stretch in order to see the variation of NDVI. As you can see, here is a forest, and the NDVI value is higher, near to 56. And for areas with barren land, we have less NDVI, as you can see. Okay. In order to export our estimated NDVI, I'm gonna use this export image. Right. Again, I have to define all the variables. Name of the data, collected data here, description, the name that you want to export your dataset, NDVI. Region, my study area, geometry, scale. Again, the spatial resolution of Sentinel-2 images are 10 meters, and I added here. And for the final things, we have a max pixels. Okay. And I finished my code. Again, I run the code, and as you can see in the screen, the NDVI estimated, and also I have exported. If I click on the run, I can export my dataset into my Google Drive. Thank you very much for your attention.